Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Color.
Color.
I am coloring the picture with bright crayons.
I am coloring the picture with bright crayons.
Listen.
Listen.
I am listening carefully to the teacher's instructions.
I am listening carefully to the teacher's instructions.
Speak.
Speak.
I am speaking loudly to answer the question.
I am speaking loudly to answer the question.
Raise.
Raise.
I am raising my hand because I know the answer.
I am raising my hand because I know the answer.
Ask.
Ask.
I am asking the teacher for help with this problem.
I am asking the teacher for help with this problem.
Answer.
Answer.
I am answering the questions on the worksheet.
I am answering the questions on the worksheet.
Spell.
Spell.
I am spelling words in my spelling test.
I am spelling words in my spelling test.
Count.
Count.
I am counting the blocks on the table.
I am counting the blocks on the table.
Cut.
Cut.
I am cutting the paper with my scissors.
I am cutting the paper with my scissors.
Paste.
Paste.
I am pasting the shapes onto my project.
I am pasting the shapes onto my project.
Share.
Share.
I am sharing my crayons with my friend.
I am sharing my crayons with my friend.
Clean.
Clean.
I am cleaning up my desk before I leave.
I am cleaning up my desk before I leave.
Organize.
Organize.
I am organizing my books neatly on the shelf.
I am organizing my books neatly on the shelf.
Participate.
Participate.
I am participating in the group discussion.
I am participating in the group discussion.
Follow.
Follow.
I am following the school rules at all times.
I am following the school rules at all times.
Practice.
Practice.
I am practicing writing letters.
I am practicing writing letters.
Write.
Write.
I am writing my name at the top of my paper.
I am writing my name at the top of my paper.
Read.
Read.
I am reading a book during story time.
I am reading a book during story time.
Study.
Study.
I am studying for the test tomorrow.
I am studying for the test tomorrow.
Solve.
Solve.
I am solving the math problems on the board.
I am solving the math problems on the board.
Research.
Research.
I am researching animals for my project.
I am researching animals for my project.
Complete.
Complete.
I am completing my homework.
I am completing my homework.
Discuss.
Discuss.
I am discussing the story with my friends.
I am discussing the story with my friends.
Play.
Play.
I am playing games with my friends at recess.
I am playing games with my friends at recess. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.